Mmm. Hi guys! Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog is gagawa ako ng cheesy mamon. So this is the second time na mag-bake ako sa recipe na to guys. Hindi ko binavlog yung first bake ko kasi I'm afraid na ma-failed siya, but thankfully very successful yung first bake ko. Gustong-gusto ni Matthew at ng anak niya, so ang dali-daling naubos. That's why I decided to make a vlog for the second time. And I got this recipe pala guys from my friend Jovelyn Serrano. Shout out sa UCC and thank you so much for sharing this recipe to me. Napakasarap niya talaga. So these are the ingredients guys. First thing, you need this kind of pen. Kung meron kayong proper na pangmamon talaga na pen, yun yung gamitin nyo guys. But since wala ako nun, ito yung ginagamit ko. This is a muffin pen. Ayan. Ito yung itsura niya. And these are the ingredients. Of course, the main ingredients are eggs. This one, and oil. Kahit anong oil, pwede siya. Ito yung ginagamit ko is soya oil. And milk. You need milk. Sugar, white sugar, guys. And then salt. You need this, cream of tartar. Vanilla extract. You also need baking powder and flour. This one. So now, I'm gonna show you the complete list of ingredients as well as their measurements. I forgot to tell you guys na you also need water and butter. Yung butter guys, yun yung gagamitin niyo na ipahid dito para hindi siya mag-stick at madali siyang kunin after pagluto na siya guys. So right, now let's start. So, first thing mong gagawin guys is isi-separate mo yung egg white at saka egg yolk. And gumagamit ako nito, ito yung strategy ko, gumagamit ako nito sa pag-separate ng egg white at saka egg yolk. And then before that, kinakrak ko siya dito guys first. Hindi ko siya dinidiretso dito para kung in case merong eggshell, madali ko siyang makuha. So, ito pala yung egg yolk ko guys at saka egg white. Nahihiwalay ko na siya. So, dito tayo first sa egg yolk. So, ilalagay ko dito yung water, milk, salt, vanilla, oil, baking powder, sugar, and flour. And then, imimix ko sila guys. So, ito na yung mixture ko sa egg yolk, guys. Ayan, ito yung hitsura niya. So, isi-set aside lang natin and let's move to the meringue mixture which is the egg white. So, ito siya, guys. And then, ilalagay ko dito yung cream of tartar and sugar. So, ibibit ko muna siya, guys, using electric mixer. So, ito na yung hitsura, guys. Ayan, ito yung mixture ko sa egg white. And dapat ganito yung hitsura niya, guys, na parang na-melt na ice cream. O, ayan. So, ito siya. After nito, imimix ko ang egg white mixture dito sa egg yolk, guys. Using the spatula. So, ito na yung mixture ko, guys. Ayan. Ito na yung hitsura niya. Para na siyang off-white. Ayan. So, ready na siyang i-transfer sa pan. But before that, don't forget to wipe a butter, guys, para hindi siya mag-stick. Ayan. So, ito yung butter ko. Mini-melt ko na siya sa microwave. So, lagyan lang natin ng butter. So, ita-transfer ko na itong mixture ko dito, guys. And I'm using ice cream scoop. And 3 scoop yung gagawin ko dito. Yung ilalagay ko dito, guys. Transfer lang natin. And then, pinipreheat ko na yung oven ko for 180 degrees Celsius. And then, ita-transfer ko yung heat niya to 170 Celsius once preheated na siya, guys. So, ito na siya, guys. Ready to bake na. And marami akong sobra dito. So, meron akong second round. Pero ito lang muna kasi 6 lang naman ang kasya dito, guys. So, I'm gonna bake this for 23 minutes. Kasi last time, binibake ko siya ng 23 and 25. Yung 23 is perfect, sabi ng asawa ko. And then yung 25 is a bit dry. Hindi na siya nagmo-moist. So, mas maganda daw yung 23 minutes. So, I'm gonna stick to that. So, I'll be right back. So, nag-dip na yung oven, guys. Tingnan natin if luto na. And we're gonna use toothpick to check if luto na siya, guys. So, off lang natin. And we'll check. Look at that! Oh my God! Ang ganda naman ng mamon ko. So, check nga natin. I hope luto na siya, guys. Oops, oops. Luto na, guys! Ayan. Pag walang didikit dyan, that means luto na. Pag merong didikit, that means kulang pa. Look at that! So, this is my mamon, guys. Freshly baked from the oven. Ayan, guys. Super ganda. Yay! So, ipapa-cool down ko lang siya saglit, guys. And then after, I'm gonna put grated cheese on top para mas masarap. Ayan, then, yeah, itatransfer ko siya sa lalagyan niya. So, ito na siya, guys. Ayan, nabaliktad ko na siya. And, look how soft is that. So, ito na, guys. Nalagyan ko na ng cheese. So, kain na tayo, guys. Nagutom na ako. So soft. So yummy, guys. Look at that. So soft. Perfect. Mauubos na naman to agad, guys. Pagdating ni Matthew. Alright. So, that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!